name is Ivan Washington. I'm with Jerry Hunt Super Center, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about this 2017 Kia Cadenza. Now, this vehicle is a premium model, which means it gives you all the luxuries. As you see, you have a panoramic sunroof, the 18-inch alloy wheels. This vehicle is equipped with leather, heat seats, navigation. It is also a roomy car, which you don't find too many roomy cars in the market. In this Cadenza, it comes equipped with your backup camera, your backup sensors to alert you that something is behind you, and it has a huge trunk space for any traveling that you do. This vehicle is equipped with a 3.3-liter V6 that gives you enough power in the vehicle, also with good fuel mileage. Averages about 20 in the city, 28 on the highway. And this is a fully touchscreen along with your navigation. The vehicle also has heated seats here on this premium leather. You do have Bluetooth to where you can pair your cell phone as well. That's the 2017 Kia Cadenza. Click or call to schedule a test drive. And don't forget to ask for me, Ivan Washington.